I'm going to show you a sample of just a cable row, but know that any cable pattern will have one cable row and then quite a few just regular rows. So your pattern will likely repeat over and over again, and then you'll hit a cable row. For this sample of the cable row, I'm just starting with some seed stitch on the side and then my few purls, and then I hit the cable portion. To start my cable, I slip the stitches onto, I'm using a double pointed needle, but you can use anything. You can use a cable needle specifically, or I like to use a circular needle. This is just what I had next to me. For this pattern, I'm slipping 8 stitches onto this cable needle, and then my pattern says that I should hold it in front. Then I'm going to knit my 8 stitches from my left needle to my right. You'll notice that I'm doing this in a knit one, purl one. This is so that my cable is double-sided. I can talk about that more in a different video, but if your pattern says just to knit them, just knit them. Once you knit the 8 stitches, in this case, from your left needle to your right, that's when we're going to knit them off of our cable needle. In some cases, you would want to do this and move the stitches back over to your left needle, but I like to use this double pointed needle or a circular needle so that I can just knit straight off of it. And that's what I'll do here, is I will knit one, purl one for those 8 stitches, and that completes the cable section of this row. I'll then follow the rest of my pattern, which is a few purls and then some seed stitch, and that's it for the cable row. Now the next row is going to be just a regular row as written out in the pattern, so there will be no need for the cable needle. For this pattern, you'll knit about 9 more rows and then you'll do the cable row again. So be sure to follow your pattern for what those regular rows are so that you can keep up with your cables. I hope this is helpful to show you how to actually read a pattern for a cable and how simple it really is. Be sure to save this video for the next time that you want to tackle cables. This is my classic cable scarf pattern. Shameless plug, it's available on Etsy and Ravelry. But let me know if you have any questions about cables or any other knitting things in the comments.